How to sell insurance online to double your appointment rate in sales. A complete online 24/7 insurance sales method designed for licensed insurance agents. Now you can escape the traditional grind of cold calling, traveling all over the state for appointments, and chasing overpriced leads. Forget that stuff. That's the old way of marketing. The new method is everything is done online, where you sell insurance through a personalized website. It enables agents to sell final expense and term life insurance 100% online platform, generating passive commission income selling online. Working from your home with 100% done online. This is a great method for agents who are burned out from traveling all over the county or region for appointments. Are you exhausted from dialing for dollars and cold calling? Frustrated with lack of quality leads and mentally burnout? Are you spending too much money on expensive lead sources? Seeking to escape the time for money trap? Ready to build a scalable, online insurance business? Are you an agent who is tired of rejection through cold calling 50 to 100 dials a day? Financial stress from expensive lead costs with poor conversion rates? Tired working 60-hour weeks with inconsistent results? Inability to scale beyond personal effort and hours worked? No shows and time wasters destroying your productivity? The solution: sell insurance policies online on the internet. Get our free guide and starter kit to learn more. The best part for agents is the method is all done online, works 24/7 without an agent's direct involvement. You sign up direct with an A+ insurance company and using their web page personalized with your name and producer's number. Agent currently get paid 90% up to 120% based on production. To learn more, go to www.success45.com.